In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Kisan card balance. A full guide. As you can see in here, to check your Kisan credit card balance, you typically need to get in touch with the bank that issued your KCC. Since these cards function like a revolving agricultural credit account, the most reliable way to confirm your outstanding balance or available limit is by contacting your bank branch or customer service center directly. You can either visit in person or call the bank's dedicated helpline and provide them with your account details. They'll share your current balance with you directly. Some banks may offer online tools or internet banking, mobile banking apps where you can log in and view your KCC balance, but this depends on whether your bank has integrated KCC details into its digital platform. Not all banks support this feature, so it's best to confirm directly with your branch or by checking through their official app or website. In short, checking your Kisan credit card balance in 2025 is best done by calling or visiting the bank branch that issued it. Some banks might allow balance checks online, but availability varies, so always confirm what your bank supports. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.